Hey guys, I'm Jane, and welcome back to Talkie, the place where learning English is fun, fast, and a little bit crazy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you ever wish for an English partner who never gets tired, never judges you, and never says, "Sorry, my goldfish has swimming lessons"? Oh, meet your new BFF, ChatGPT. Today, I'll show you how to turn AI into your personal English coach. ChatGPT, pretend you're my boss and interview me for a job in New York.
Absolutely. I can jump right into that. Let's set the scene. Imagine we're sitting in a bright New York office. I'm your potential boss, and we're about to have a chat about why you're interested in this role. So let's start off with a classic interview opener. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and what brings you to apply for a position in New York?
Boom, instant role play. And here's the secret. Don't just type your answers. Use your voice. Try role plays like a waiter in Paris, your best friend in London, or even a strict grandma giving advice. English pronunciation sometimes feels like a prank. Like, why do we have through, tough, though, thought? Here's the hack. Use AI text to speech. Copy your sentence, listen, repeat, then ask, "How did I sound?" AI becomes your pronunciation coach. And it doesn't roll its eyes when you mess up. Are you tired of always saying good, good, good? ChatGPT, give me 10 cool alternatives to the word good with examples. Next time, instead of saying, "That pizza was good," you'll say, "That pizza was mind-blowing." Now you sound more like a Netflix character than a grammar book. Scared to talk to real people? No problem. AI doesn't judge, make 100 mistakes, and it still says, "Awesome, let's try again." Honestly, AI is like the sweetest English grandma, but with Wi-Fi. All right, Talkie family, here's your homework. Open ChatGPT, choose a role play, and talk for 5 minutes every day. Do this for a month, and you'll be shocked at your progress. Remember, English learning doesn't have to be boring. With AI, it can be fun, weird, and unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with a friend. Hope to see you soon. Bye!
Thanks for watching Talkie today. Learning English the fun, easy way. Hit subscribe, don't